how to record a video using both front and back camera on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, open up the camera application. From here, tap on the More button, then select G Record. In here, before you start recording, tap on this button. From here, you can choose which lens to use. So here we've got the front camera. If you don't want to use the front camera, you can also select ultra wide, wide, and telephotos, but they are for the back camera only. So if you want to use both the front and the back camera, make sure you select the front and then tap on OK. Here, now you can start recording with both the front and the back camera. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here, you can see my recordings, both recording the front and the back camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.